Good morning, everyone. It's Shepherd from Namibia. Today we're embarking on lesson 7 with our STEM PDF bootcamp, which is mastering object detection. So basically, what is object detection? Object detection is part of a computer vision technique focused on on categorizing images or videos, basically from a picture or from from a live feed. So basically today our activity is to upload a picture and then to write code to basically detect all the objects in our code. So our sprite today is our square box, which is actually gonna be used to pen our different objects that are available on our stage. We are going to have to import time because this helps us in actually being able to set our delays and our time sleep. So for this particular activity, we're going to have object obj equals object detection. So this is our variable that contains our objects for all the whole object detection. Then we're going to have pen equals to pen, which actually is going to be used to pen out all the objects that are going to be detected. So we have pen.clear. Pen.clear is going to clear any pen markings after an object has been detected. obj.set threshold at 0.5. So setting our threshold was setting our confidence level. So we have set our confidence level at 0.5. obj.set stage, we have to set our stage. So since we already have our square box, we're going to have to disable our box from that object detection object. So this is where we have obj.disable box. So in most exercises we have been using the while loop, but in this exercise we're actually going to be using the for loop. So with our for loop we have for I in range 1 obj count plus 1. So this for loop is going to be used to count how many objects are actually going to be in the image. So this for loop will actually run according to how many objects are in that particular image. So after that, we'll say sprite.setX objxi. So here we're setting our position of x based on where our I is, our I, which is our object. So that is setting our x position. Then we have to set our y position again, which is obj.y, and then we set our I position, our y position based on where the coordinate system of the object will be on the y position. Then after that is sprite.set size obj width. So we want our box to actually orientate itself according to the size of the image. So in most cases, we know that pictures actually are more of we use width more than height. So this is why in this case we actually went for the width, but we could have also added the height, but that's still okay. So after that, we have a sprite.say obj class name. So class name is basically going to detect what class an object falls into. And then pen.stamp, it will actually stamp the object that has been detected. And then time.sleep 2 seconds. Then after 2 seconds, it will rerun the program again. So I'm going to try run the program right now. Okay, so I ran the program, but then each and every time I'm getting a runtime error, pen clear block is not working, because clear block is actually supposed to help to clear after an object is detected, to say when bicycle is detected, then go to person, then go to car, but then it seems not to be working. So I'm gonna stop that. So what I've actually discovered is that if I comment out the pen clear and the pen stamp and run the code, it actually works. So as you can see, person is detected, bicycle is detected, car is detected. Okay, so let's actually change our image. To something else and see what's gonna happen. Backdrop, upload. Let me do this so that we try and change our image and see what's gonna happen. Okay, so now I've chosen a different image. Let me upload the code and see what happens now. So now bicycle is detected, person. I don't even know why it's saying person, but then that should be dog. So it seems as if there's something wrong with our model. But then, yeah, basically that was it for for introduction to object detection. It was a very good lesson. As mentioned earlier on, that a stick was developed that uses an ultrasonic sensor and a camera to actually help the visually impaired. So this is something that I would also want to actually partake in. Thank you very much.